Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We're going through a series now on the miracle signs and wonders that Jesus and his disciples performed when they were walking earth. So come with me now, make we build with faith. And if you want more people to hear God, talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button now, drop a comment below, and share this video with at least one somebody. And if you not do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Matthew chapter 17 from verse 1 to verse 8. 6 days later, Jesus take Peter, James, and James' brother John and carry them go up on one high mountain. Him and them one. All of a sudden, Jesus start to change right in front of them. Him face start shine like the sun, and him clothes turn white like light. All of a sudden, Moses and Elijah show up in front of them too, and I chat with Jesus. So Peter said to Jesus, say, Lord, a good thing say we there, man. If you want, me will make 3 shades. One for you, one for Moses, and one for Elijah. Look here now. Same time Peter chat, one bright cloud come down, come cover them up. And one voice in the cloud say, this a fi me boy Pitney. Me love him and he make me happy. Una fi listen when he say. When the follower them hear the voice, them catch them afraid, dash themselves a ground and turn down their face. But Jesus come touch them. Him say, get up, no afraid. When they look up, they no see nobody, just Jesus one. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.